So I have my brows done already, and I'll be going in with my Tara eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids using my Kuddy Cosmetic 120 eyeshadow palette, and I'll be starting off with the orange color for my crease and going in with the burgundy color to add more intense into my crease, and I'll be topping it up with more colors from the burgundy to intensify my crease. And remember guys, you have to blend and blend and blend, going in with a deep brown shade to add more depth to the outer part of my crease, and I keep blending, blending, blending and blending. Using the same Tara eyeshadow primer to cup my crease, so let's cut it. Then going in with a deep brown shade to add more depth to the outer part of my crease, making sure it's well blended in. Then going in with the burnt orange color to apply right after I apply the deep brown, then using the orange shade to apply right after the burnt orange, and making sure I blend it into the burnt orange to give it that smooth transitioning look. Then applying the yellow color at the outer part of my eyes, at the outer corner of my eyes, and making sure I blend it into the orange color. Then I'll be using my Tara eyeshadow primer to create a winged liner in order to achieve my reverse liner ombre look. Then starting off with the yellow color which I used at the outer part of my eyes, and starting like I'm doing a reverse back of the colors I have on my eyelid, then going in with the orange shade, then finishing off with the burnt orange for the outer parts of the eyeliner. Using my lemon green glitter eyeliner to line on top of the lines where I created the reversed eyeliner, kind of to make the reversed eyeliner pop. Sorry guys, I had to fix my lashes off camera because I started tearing up. So I'll be lining my waterline with the pineapple black eye pencil, then using my Noirblackbeauty liquid glow to glow up my face, and I'll be using the shade Glow to give my face, you know, that little pop. For my foundation, I'll be using the Twok London foundation in the shade 170, and I'll be applying it all over my face. And you know, our normal rule is to blend, blend, blend and blend out every hash lines. To highlight and contour my face, I'll be using the Early Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Dark Cocoa, and I'll be highlighting my forehead, under my eyes, my nose, my chin and my cupid bow. To contour my face, I'll be contouring my nose bridge, my cheekbone and round my hairline. Using my Noirblackbeauty contour brush to blend out the contoured parts on my face. Then also using my beauty blender to blend out the highlighted parts on my face. Remember, the key is to blend, blend, blend and blend out so no harsh lines will be seen. Using my Sasha buttercup setting powder to set the highlighted parts on my face, you know, to keep that highlighted parts locked in. Using my sleek contour powder palette to set in the contoured parts on my face, which is my cheekbone, round my hairline, and the bridge of my nose. Then I'll be using my Zaron mattifying powder all over my face. Using my Noirblackbeauty shimmer powder glow to glow up and highlight my face. And guys, this is like my favorite part in makeup because it gives my face that extra pop, you know, it keeps my face popping. For my lips, I'll be using the Colourpop lip stain in the shade Limbo and Avenue to create an ombre lip. To seal it up, I'll be using my Nubanbeauty Seal It Spray, and voila, here we have it, our reverse liner ombre look. Thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up and a comment below, and if you're joining us for the first time, thank you for joining, and don't forget to subscribe.